Dear students, in today's class, we will discuss what are the recent trends in compensation management. In our previous lectures, we have already discussed the meaning of compensation, what are the components of compensation, what are the various factors affecting compensation management, what are the types of compensation that we have already discussed in the previous videos and lectures. Now in today's lecture we will discuss what are the recent trends in compensation management. See, I have listed out a few recent trends in compensation management which most of the organizations follows to attract and retain the talented employees with their organization. First recent trend is the group mediclaim or insurance scheme. Most of the organization and even many organization make their employees enrolled for such type of schemes, like they have their employees group mediclaim, so that in any health emergency they can the financial burden will not lie on the completely on the employees. Another is the personal accident insurance scheme. If say suppose they come some if the some employees met with an accident, so there is the scheme, the employee may get compensated from the organization for the personal accidents. Another is company lease accommodation. See, most of the organization provide home or accommodation to their employees. See, this is for mostly given to the senior executives and executives. Another is recreation, ATM facilities, corporate credit card. These are the other facilities which are given by the organizations. Like they have some recreation or some movie theater within the organization, or they have a small club for recreation. Say cafeteria is there. Another within the office boundaries, they have their ATM facilities, and even they provide the corporate credit cards to their employees. Another is card club membership. Say the free membership to various clubs they employees get from the organization side. Then another is say few organizations also provide cell phones, laptops to their employees, so that they can anytime connect with their employees. Another is personal health care. Say in many of the organization free of cost uh, make their employees health checkup, or they have their tie-ups with various hospitals where they can the employees can go and get the free medical checkups on a few of the assigned days, or say month. Another in also they get personal healthcare loans from the organizations. Another is employees can get educational benefits for higher studies. Say suppose organization if any employees wants to study higher, go for higher studies, the organization support the employees, give them some duty leaves, as well as they promote the all the educational um, burden on their own. And but in that case they the employees need to sign the bond as per the terms and condition of the organization. Another is regular get together and other cultural programs. Say in 6 month or in a year, the organization organizes some get together, or some you can say cultural programs. And then many organizations do celebrate the wedding days and birthday gifts, provide birthday gifts. Say suppose in that particular month, say in month of January, the employees having birthdays, say suppose as per say 10-12 employees are having birthday, so collectively they celebrate the birthdays of those employees. Another is employee referral scheme. Say suppose this is one of the organization, one of the scheme which the organization used for recruiting the employees. Say if any employees refer any some employee or candidate for joining the organization for the vacant positions, then those employees who are referring the employees get some incentives. Say amount varies, say 10,000, 20,000, depends upon the job position. Another is maternity leave. The women who are working in the organization, they do get maternity leaves, paid maternity leaves for 6 months. Another is paternity leave, is also the to be father get some days, say month or 15 days leave to take care of the family. So these are the recent trends in compensation management, where organization use these tools, schemes to motivate, to improve the efficiency, productivity of their staff and employees, so that they can work in an efficient and effective manner. Hope the points are clear now.